Hi, John Valvano here, and in this video I'm going to do route the signals. So it's a good idea to run the design rule check frequent and often, and that will show you where you've got mistakes. You see, I've got one right here that I have to I don't want to prove it. I want to remove it. Okay, and so one way to get rid of it is to rip it up and redraw it. So I'm going to rip this thing up. You see it's gone? You see it? It's gone. And now I'm going to reroute it with a 8 mil trace. Okay, and it happened because I double clicked here. Okay, so I'm going to route it up to there. Okay, and then when I run the design rule check again, hopefully it's gone. Okay, see it's gone. Now the rest of these errors are just what I have to do, and that is route the signals. Okay. So again, I don't want to approve it. Okay, so the trickiest part about routing here is to get all the signals out. And so we're going to need a strategy here for getting these signals out. And you can see right here, if I were to remove this trace here, okay, and reroute it as a bottom trace, okay, it'll give me a chance to get in between. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so that'll give me a chance to get under it. Okay, so I'm going to, I'm just going to think about, and one of the things I often do is I just go halfway. I just get part way. Okay, and so for instance, if I want to route this one, I will, again, I'm going to go top because it's an 8. Okay? So I'll just have a strategy here where I'll get it out part way. Okay, so I will, and then I'll click it. Okay, and then I'm going to leave myself as much space as I can because I got a lot of signals to come out, and I'll just leave it part way down. Okay, so this one doesn't get one, so I'll bring this one out. Okay, again, I want to make it as tight as possible. Make it as tight. If I don't like it, I'll just start over. Okay, Z, start over. If you don't like it, start over. Okay, so air wire top 8, and I don't try to do everything at once. I'm just gonna get close. Okay, this one here. Okay, where's that one's coming from? Way over there. Okay, so that one. Okay, you see that one wants to go that way. You see it's going to go the other direction. You see that? It's going to go that way. So yeah, I'll go that way. Sure, I'll be. You can see now none of these need to go anywhere, so I'm okay there. Okay, and then again I won't necessarily go all the way. I'll just get part way. Okay, so this one. Okay, so now this is a little bit tricky. Might get right up the middle there. I might. Sure, why not? Sure, why not? Will it get there? Now that one I'm not sure about, so what I'll do is do a design rule check, see if it's too close, right? To see if it's too close. No, it isn't. See, I got it out. If you're a little bit worried like I am, what I'm going to do here is just move this one down just a little bit. I'll go to move this one down a little bit. I'll move it over. Move this one down. All right. All right. Okay, see what else. I got to get this one comes up. Okay, so one of these is going that way. Yeah, I'd go straight down on this one. Okay, so again, I'm just getting the signals out of the box, so to speak. Okay, So I come here, I got to get across those two things. So I'll come over here a little bit, click, center click, right click, and then I'm on the other side. And I don't know, we'll get them out. And this one, okay, again, I'm going to go that way, so maybe I'll do the same thing. I'll go click, center click, left click, come out this way, and I'm ready to go this way. Okay. All right, that one. Okay, that one. Yeah, I come out the same thing, but I got to be on the other side. So move this guy a little bit further over so I can come down the middle of here. So I move this one over. Yeah. Now I can come out and okay, trace. Okay, come down, find me a spot where I can make a hole, click, left click, right click here, and now I'm coming down the middle over here. Sort of I'm out of the center of this chip. Okay. All right, let's see what we got this one. It's got to come up somewhere. Okay. So again, I want to stay away from the crystal. Okay, but this is unavoidable. And now I want to go. Now normally I would go left to right with click, center click, left click, get across this one, and now I can go back to click, center click, right click, over here. See? All right. So I got out of, see, I've got connections for all of my microcontroller pins. Okay. So now what I want to do is wire the pick a spot, wire them up. Okay. So all right, which one is this? Info. Yeah, that's PE5. Where's PE5? PE5. Okay. Again, I'm going to come in close enough so I can see where it is. There's PE5. And yeah, PD0 needed to go somewhere. All right, so we got some more. Basically, what you tend to do is try to make like railroad. I mean, try to make like throughways here. Okay, so if I got PE4 out using this railway here, I'll come out with PE5 the same way. Okay, and it's sort of in the right direction. So. And it looks like I got to get PD 0 needs to come out as well. So what's my strategy? This one's PD 0. What's my strategy? Follow along PD 1, right? Looks that way. Look at that. That'd be easy pass. Okay. So again, I try to make, for microcontroller signals, I try to make sort of like, sort of expressways, so to speak, as it were. Okay. That are the same sort of direction. Right? Let's see. Also, you can see that when you zoom in to the microcontroller, you can see which pins have nets to them, right? That need to be connected, and which ones don't. You see, wake needs to go somewhere. I see that. Okay, fairly easy. Let's figure out where wake goes. Yeah, wake's going to go right there, and I see no yellow lines around, right? So, yeah, sheesh, I'm just going to go, all right? Let's go all the way to wake. Okay. Okay, over. All right, so you see how I have it straight up, left click, center click, right click, straight up. Ta-da. Okay, good. So again, I'm zooming around to see which microcontroller pins need to be routed out. Okay, ground, ground, ground. Okay. All right. So I did the hard part, is getting the signals out of the hole, out of the. Now we're going to zoom out and start doing traces, finishing them up. Okay. So. Now, one of the things you're going to do, you can see that. You see it gave you an error, a track to pad error. All right, let's figure out where we are. Okay, so these guys here, PD. All right, there's PD7. There's PD6, goes there. Okay, so that's a pretty straight route. Where's PD7? Where is it? PD7. Again, I'm thinking about where I'm going before I get there. All right, that really helps you not having to retrace it. Oh, there's PD7 there. So yeah, I've got it going the wrong way. Not the wrong way, but it's coming out this way, way down there. All right, I'll do that one last. There's PD7. Kind of went the wrong way with it because it needs to go up, but yeah, I don't like putting a lot of traces under the microcontroller, but I could. I could. I could. Okay, so let's. Yeah, change my mind. I'm going to go up with PD7. So rip up. Yeah. All right, and then this one, why don't we change the layer, okay? So we can info here on that guy and move it. See, that's on the bottom. Let's put it on the top. All right, that'll give me a clean shot for in blue across these two. Okay, so up. Okay. Left click, center click, left click, left click, center click, left click. Yeah, now I'm getting closer to the right spot. And sometimes you got to zoom out to see where to go. All right, I want to go. Now I'm close to where I want to be. All right, you can see it's giving me a landing spot. Ta-da! There we go. All right, this one. Again, sometimes in some chips it's easier to start with the surface mount pad because you want to hit it and you don't want to miss it. Other times it don't matter. Okay, so yeah, what's that? Okay, that one's going to go that way. All right, so let's go here. Okay, again, I got, you see, to get across this fence, I got to go on the other side. Left click, right click. Okay, I'm across. Center click, right click. Now, I don't know, we may have to, okay, again, I want to go, I don't want to go red across red, so center click, right click, and then I got to get all the way up there, so, yeah, sure, you can go, no, that's fine, it's perfect. So up here, change the other layer. There we go, it's going to be fine. All right, okay, this one here. Now maybe I'll go this way, because I didn't leave myself a lot of room, or I'll just make room. Okay, move this guy over here. Move. Yeah, see, I make myself a little more room here. All right, so I'll go up this. I'll do the same thing. You see, I'm making a pattern here. You see, these things are all going in the same sort of way. All right. Center click, right click, left click. I mean, I'm on the wrong. Yeah, okay. I'm on the right side because I got to get over that. Get over these guys here. So that's fine. I come up here, make the yellow line straight. Click, center click, left click. Ta-da. Okay. Again, you can't run design rule check too often. Yeah, just the number of air wires are going down. That's good. Okay. All righty. Okay. All right. This one's fairly straightforward. I can go straight path into it. I got to get under the fence here, so just make that yellow line straight. Click, center click, left click, up. Yeah, let's keep it on the bottom because it's a down. All right, where's this guy go? That guy goes. That's the reset pin. But you can see I'm a straight path. I just got to go around, right? See that? So again, it tells you where to go. It tells you where you're aiming for, right? All right. Again, I'm looking for yellow wires. They're called air wires, of course. All right, so we got the, yeah, that could go right there. It's on the wrong side, but that's okay. I can watch. Just click here. Click here. Center click. Left click. And then now I can go. Again, this was an analog signal, so I wouldn't want to put it into the straight in. Put it into the logic analyzer. All right. All right. Over here, I don't see too many yellows. I got my yellows over here. All right, so this guy. Yeah, one of the resulting effects of having a yellow, a red in parallel with a blue is called a fence. And so a fence is something that can't be crossed. And so we generally don't want fences. So when this thing comes along, I'm going to try not to get it right on top of it, because that would mean I couldn't get under it. Okay, so again, since I'm going left to right, I start it over, center click, left click, oops, Z, that wasn't right. Okay, try it again. Trace, click, click, center click, there we go. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it blue. I don't know. Okay. All right, T. All right. Now, this is gonna pass design rule check because I can see it doesn't have a thing, but it may bother you. It may not. Could move it a little further over, but pass. So I'm gonna keep going. Okay. Now these guys you can see go both to the left and to the right. So since it's already out, I'm going to come, these two are going to go also to the logic analyzer. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to grab them here, that'll be fine. Grab them there. Okay. Here. Change directions. Let's click. Click. See? All right, try it again. Click, click. No. Click. All right, maybe I'll go in the other direction. All right, try it again. Click. All right. Click. Center. Over. Now we're good. Okay, so now I'm going to leave myself, the other one's on, I don't know, either side. Okay. I could look over there to see which way it wanted to go, but I'm just going to put this one up higher. See, that's a fence. See that fence right there? I won't be able to get across it. Of course, it's on the it's a fence on the side of the board, so it's not that big a deal. Okay, so okay. All right, so I got the other one. Now I could grab it from there, so I don't have to. I want to under it. I want to go under it. Okay, you see that? I want to go under it, so I will grab it here because I don't know. I could grab it there. There's plenty of room. All right. There we go. Not too close to the edge. Oh, it's not. Yeah, there. It's going there. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom in. Again, this is second fence here. There we go. All right. Couple more. Okay. Here's an easy one. Red. My output. Okay. All right, you gotta go up. So right click. Click. Center click. And okay. Now these guys also go to the logic analyzer here. So yeah, so it's fairly easy. I'm going to go this way down. Okay. So click. Yep. See, it's going to tell me where to go. So I find a spot for my my hole. Let's see, I did. Or maybe I'll just go the other direction. Okay. It don't matter. Okay, click. Center click. Okay. And I got to get across these two. And since I'm going down, I just, yeah, sort of not too far. Click, right? No, I want to click. There we go. Alrighty. This one needs one here. Center click, left click. Yeah. You can see it's going to go all the way down there. Alright, let's see that one. It's got to get over there. Okay, I did that one. It's going there. This one's going there. Okay, so, ooh, this way, huh? What do you think? This one here? Center click, left click. Yeah. Gotta go out a little bit. Okay, click. Click. Alright, see. Alright, now this one I don't particularly like it, so I'm going to move it. See, I can move this pad. Move the pad. So right up there. There we go. Good. Okay, so which I need PD7 over there. So I left myself a trace this way. So I'll grab PD7 right here. Yeah, okay. PD7. Yeah, here. Change directions. Come around this way. Go back red again. Come around this way. I'm still red. Where do I gotta go? Where am I going? No, see, I'll go all the way over there. Click, right click, blue. There I'm in. Alright. Alright, let's do a... Oh, there's that one there. Okay, see, there's one. You can see it, that yellow line right there. So, yeah, boy, painted myself sort of in a corner, but I just make myself room. Watch this. I'll just move this over there. Zoom in. Move this over there. Move this one over here. Move this one over here. Now, if it gets ugly, you can always just, you know, change. Yeah, there we go. That one. This one. Oh, not like that. I want to move this thing here. There we go. Make myself a hole. I'm going to move that. There we go. Up there. All right. See, I left myself a hole now. Well, not quite. Almost there. A little bit more. Then I'll move this one. There we go. That may be a hole now. All right, here we go. Okay, it's got to go blue, right? So we're on the bottom blue. Okay, we're good. All right, T. So, okay, that's going to be in my way a little bit. So I'll just move. Let's just take a break here. Move these other two out of the way here. Move this guy over here. See what I did? I just made myself space. All right, so I'm going from this one, no, here to there. Okay, so I just come down till it's square. Left click, right click, left click. I'm in. All right. So we'll do a design rule check. Save it often. Saving is good. Design rule check. Check. Okay, I got some wire stubs, which meant, you know, it's, again, things I've done that were, okay, that were ugly. Okay, so right there. Yeah, I don't know, got some ugliness. It's just happened when I sort of made an extra bump. You see that guy right there? So I move him up of the way and then I rip him. All right, that's the other wire stub. Okay. Where is it? Right there. Okay, look at that mess right there. Okay, so sometimes what you got to do is, move it out of the way so you can rip up the right one. Okay. Yep, gone. Now we got some air wires. Okay, so we still got some traces to do. Okay. Oh, that's it. Yeah, right there. All right, that'll be easy. All right. Okay, so, alrighty, all right, some more. Okay, got it. Okay, Gee. All right, let's do them one at a time here. This was a fairly straightforward one. I just missed it. Okay. It could be on the top or the bottom. This is an interesting one. If you look at this, there's still a yellow wire in there. How did that happen? That just happened because I made this thing. I just got sloppy when I made this one. I just didn't make it far enough. Didn't actually hit it. Okay. So, you know, sometimes it's just best to start over. Okay. Oops. Other side. Okay. Other side. Okay. X. Okay. Top. That could have been the bottom. This didn't really matter. All right. Okay, look for that. All right, G-Design rule check. All right, G. Again, I guess must have gotten sloppy, that's all. There's that one. Where's this one? Ooh, ground. I missed a ground. How's that? That should be ground. Sometimes it's weird. You see, it's giving me a ground error. I just must have missed the hole. Okay, so sometimes when you get an error like this, you got to rip it up and redraw it. Okay, that's a real mistake there. That's an actual mistake there. All right, that one is my fault. Okay, so again, it gave me a yeah, you see that? Look at that. You see it's not connected. Yeah, you see that? I missed it. Okay. So rip it. Okay. If it's not right, I rip it here and rip this one and then do it proper. So I just was too fast and furious here, so to speak. All right. And never actually connected it. Okay. Same thing's going to be over here with these. I undoubtedly just didn't click it perfectly. You see, this is not quite connected. So sometimes it helps to move the thing that you're trying to fix. You see that? I missed it. Look at that. It's not connected. See that? That's not right. That's not right. And that's where my mistake was, right there. Okay. So, big blue. Big blue. Okay, pads. 20. Here to there. Here to there. All right. All right, so if you want to move it so it looks pretty again, that's fine. All right, so design rule check. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. You see that? Check. Nothing. Ta-da. Did it. Okay. So I'm done routing the signals. In the next video, I'm just going to clean it up and make Gerber files. All right. So enjoy.